This is your father's house.
Ha, God.
Well, we have come to stay. And as I am like this, I am very tired and hungry. That. She's also hungry. This is her food.
Yeah!
Take, feed her. What do you have in the house? Oh, I know you will not have anything. You will not have. I'm coming. I need to go and look for what to eat. Baby, you're in your father's house, oh. This is your baby. You are in your father's house.
This thing is hot now.
What are you doing?
Jesus!
Oh, because you don't have food in the house. You know how to finish my baby food I bought with my money.
Oh, just testing it now.
You are testing the food I bought with my money. If there's salt, Maggi or pepper in the food. Since I gave birth to this child, how much have you contributed? Oh, look. In this house, there'll be rules and regulations. We've not even stayed for like 5 minutes. You have started.
Is that why you slapped me?
You see this rubbish you are trying? Don't try it again. Don't try it again. Do you hear me? Give her food. Let her eat.
Yeah!
This is just the beginning. I'm coming.